This is one of the most important in the current time to plan for the Technology Transfer Summit. It's a high time that in Amritkal we plan such an visionary initiative to ensure that the intellectual property is not just remain in the piece of a paper, that's a certificate, but intellectual property driven solution to resolve the societal challenges. This kind of a technology transfer summit is going to set a new dimension. The theme of a conference, research to the revenue, is required to realize in this Amrit Kal period. Bharat needs to become a Vishwaguru, we all agree to this. But how it will become a Vishwaguru? The question can be answered by such a technology transfer summit. We need to motivate the creator, inventor towards designing the solution for the current problem and implement for the futuristic need. Indian Patent Office has emphasized much on this kind of initiative, and it is equally important that we duly recognize the contribution made by the inventor. The Form 8A, which is introduced by the Indian Patent Office and Government of India, has much emphasized on recognizing the contribution of scientific researcher and inventor of the patented invention. They need to simply apply through Form 8A, and this will offer them the certificate of inventorship. Just now I met one of the inventor who has a 22 patents, and his immense contribution in developing the solution for the futuristic need. Now imagine 22 certificate of inventorship lying on his wall. This motivates his family, his social circle, and the entire scientific community surrounding to him. This is the change which we need in the country. This kind of a change will bring the respect for the science, respect for the intellectual property, and will set a vision for technology to design for the futuristic need. Technology is essentially required for everyone, and technology is required everywhere. This Technology Transfer Summit is setting the tone for this. I congratulate the organizing team for organizing such a wonderful summit, and also congratulate the inventor who have brought this invention for enabling the commercialization through this summit. Thank you very much.